So you want to travel the world full-time while making money that will continue to fund your travels. While there are plenty of remote jobs that you can do that do require the internet, there are also plenty of jobs that you can do remotely that don't require the interweb. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my top 10 ways on how you can travel full-time while making money without the internet in 2023. The first way how you can travel full-time while making money is to see if your current position at the company you're working for has an opportunity abroad. Go to your boss and see if there are any current or upcoming opportunities for you to work in another country, doing the same job or something similar, something that you have skills at already. So this gives you an opportunity to move your life somewhere new, to immerse yourself in a new culture, to go on grand adventures, and you're making money doing a job that you already know, that you already love. Another remote job that doesn't require the internet is teaching English as a second language or teaching English as a foreign language. English is the most spoken language in the world. And those who don't know how to speak or write in English most likely want to learn because it opens up learning and working opportunities for them. The best way to get certified for this is to go to TEFL.org, and there are courses you can take to get certified to teach English abroad. Not only is a place where you can get certified to teach English abroad, but they also post jobs around the world that you can look into and see if there's something that intrigues you in a country that you really want to explore and live in for a while. So there are job opportunities you can check out there. And it's just a great way to not just make money while traveling, but also meet other people. Another way to find students is during your travels, make flyers saying that you are certified to teach English and you're looking for new students. Post them up at hostels or international departments at colleges and universities. Many hostels around the world will offer a work exchange. So you're working 2 hours, 3 hours a day in exchange for food and accommodations. And your tasks can include working at the front desk, checking people in, cleaning rooms, tidying up the communal kitchen or lounge areas, maybe even cooking, and organizing or hosting nightly events at the hostels. Some hostels might even pay on top of providing you with accommodations and or food, but most likely you're gonna need a working visa for those opportunities. Large hotel chains like Marriott or Hilton are gonna require you to get a working visa, and they're most likely gonna require you to have past hotel management or hospitality experience, whereas like a boutique hotel, like a one-off hotel, might be a little bit more flexible. Something to discuss with the owner or the manager. Moving on to a fun and seasonal way on how you can travel full-time while making money without the internet in 2023, and that is by working at campgrounds and RV resorts. Campgrounds and RV resorts hire seasonally, so if you're looking for a short-term, full-time or even part-time job somewhere that allows you to really explore a place for a short period of time before moving on to your next destination, this is a great opportunity. And if you're traveling by van or RV, I mean, you couldn't have picked a better job than something like this. And a lot of the times, if you're working for a campground or an RV resort, they'll also provide you with a parking spot that can come with hookups like water, electricity, and internet. There are so many RV resorts and campgrounds around North America. It's really part of the North American culture. So if you've been wanting to travel through North America, this is a great way to do it while making money on the road. It allows you to spend a little bit of time getting to really know a destination before heading off to the next. And not just that, but you get insider tips because you're working with locals. So you'll get to know places that are like more off the beaten path, and you'll get to really know the ins and outs of the place. Campgrounds and RV resorts aren't the only seasonal jobs that can earn you money without the internet while you're traveling. You can find so many different jobs that you can apply your many skills to, and a great resource for that is Any Work Anywhere. So just go to Google, type in Any Work Anywhere. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and go see what's available for seasonal jobs all around the world. An au pair is someone who travels to another country, lives with a family in their home, or maybe like a little house off of their house, like a guest house, and provides childcare for that family. So this has to be someone that obviously loves kids, maybe has a background in childhood education, and that could even just be babysitting as well. But you have to love kids. And if you do, this is a great opportunity for you because not only are you getting to travel somewhere new and make money, but you're really immersing yourself in a new culture because you're living with a family. So you're living the day-to-day life that these people do in this new destination that you're in. Another way you can work remotely without the internet is by serving at a restaurant or being a hostess at a restaurant, but for a short period of time. So it's like serving and then bouncing to the next destination. The best way to do this is even just like walking through a street that has plenty of restaurants, seeing if they are looking for someone to hire. Maybe they have like help wanted posted on the window. Walk in, tell them you have serving experience, hopefully you do, or you have experience being a hostess and that you're looking for work for the next month or couple of months and you're willing to even work under the table. You might not go for it. You might need a working visa, which is fine as well. Work somewhere for a short period of time, make some money that funds your travels, your adventures in that city, and then move on to the next and keep doing the same thing. I used to think that there were only house sitting opportunities that provided a house for you to stay in many places around the world in exchange for maintaining the house. It could be like maintaining their garden, just keeping the house clean, just to have someone present in the house while the owner is away on holidays or traveling somewhere for pleasure or for work, or maybe they have a pet that they need someone to take care of while they're away. But there are house sitting opportunities that also pay. According to Zippia, house sitters in America are making an average of nearly 52,000 USD per year. So that's like $25 per hour on top of being able to stay in the house for free. If you're a dog or cat owner or you just love dogs and cats, you're definitely going to want to check out Rover. It's an online marketplace, so there's a website and an app, and you can find people who do dog boarding, dog sitting, dog walking, and you yourself can be all of those as well and make money while you're traveling in Canada, the US, the UK, and Europe. I personally use Rover not to make money, but to find a dog sitter for my dog Atlas in many places in Canada and the US, and I have nothing but great things to say about the service. And you get to choose the price you want to charge. So say that you are going to do dog walking and you want to charge $20 an hour. You go to the person's house, pick up the dog, take them on an hour walk, and bring them back, and you get paid $20. What I would suggest is see what other people are charging for that service for dog walking and find an average so that you can charge that average. And I mean, does it really get better than traveling, making money, and hanging out with dogs and cats? I just don't think it does get any better. No. Another passive way to earn money while you travel is by becoming an Airbnb host. If you own your own place, you just set up an account on Airbnb and list your space. It gives you an amazing opportunity while you're away anyway from your house to make some money to fund your travels and then some. If you don't own your own place, but you're renting a place, you can try something called Airbnb arbitrage. So basically what this means is you're subleasing your rental. You have an agreement with your landlord. It's not something you just do behind their back. You have an agreement with them. Then you're taking this rental, listing it on Airbnb for short-term stays, and you're charging people to stay there for $200 a night. So if it's booked constantly, you're getting paid your monthly rent back, and then you can make double on top of that, or even triple, that will be able to fund your travels. Now that you're at this point in the video, you're probably thinking, okay, now I know how to make money while I'm on the road without the internet, but how do I make those dollars last as long as possible? So that's why your next step is to watch my video, 28 budget travel hacks when you're broke AF, which is going to teach you how to travel the world when you're on a very tight budget. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.